Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel Learn to Code with Aditi. So today I am going to explain and write the code for this list problem which is there in Python section of Hackerrank, as one of my connections told me to do it. So we are here given with some inputs like insert, print, remove, append, etc. So we have to do the action as per their name suggests. Like here it is insert IE. So we have to insert an integer e at position I. Then prints the list and removes the first occurrence of integer e. So let's start writing the code. One more thing, we are here given with number of commands that we are going to get. So let's write the code. Here is n. Firstly we have to create a list. So let's name it cmd list, that is command list. Then after each iteration we have to declare a for loop for that. Here we are taking it as 0 to n because n is the number of inputs we are going to get or commands. So for I in range n, let's name it cmd is equals to input dot split on the basis of space. So we are using here split because we want these three sections, that is insert, 0 and 5 differently. So this split function will return is a list which will contain insert, 0 and 5 in string representations, not int representation. So we have to convert these 0 and 5 into int explicitly. Now we'll check if 0th index of this list contains insert command. If it contains, then we'll command this list cmd list and use a function insert. This function takes two inputs. First is the position. So we are here given with position on index 1. So let's take cmd 1. And secondly, the integer that we have to insert. So it's on index 2. Sort is an inbuilt function in Python which sorts the list and it doesn't return anything. Then pop and then reverse. Pop removes the last element from the list. And then the last one is reverse. This reverses the list. So we are done with our code, but at all places we have to convert it into int. Now it's done. So let's run the code. Sample test case is clear, and when we submit the code, so all test cases are clear. So let's meet in the next video with another Hackerrank challenge or any kind of challenge, and please tell me in the comment section if you want me to solve any of the Hackerrank challenges or Geeks for Geeks challenges or any other platform. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.